Welcome to Flyscape Expeditions. To today's fascinating journey into the hidden wonders of Iceland's lava fields. Prepare to be captivated as we unravel the mysteries behind these mesmerizing landscapes and learn about the intriguing creation process and the unusual moss growth that adorns them. Lava fields. Iceland, a land of fire and ice, is home to some of the most breathtaking natural features on Earth, and lava fields are a prime example. These volcanic landscapes are formed when molten rock from the Earth's crust flows and cools, creating unique and intriguing patterns. How they've been created. Lava fields in Iceland are formed through a complex series of events. The initial earthquake sets off the volcanic eruption, and as the lava begins to flow, hot gases rise, causing the ground to heat up. Once the lava cools, it forms a crust, and as the crust grows, new lava pours in from beneath. This process repeats, creating a lava field that evolves over time. You might have noticed the striking moss coverage on the top of the lava fields in Iceland. While moss is a common vegetation found in damp environments, it grows exceptionally well on the lava fields due to the unique combination of factors. The high levels of nutrients in the lava, combined with the consistently warm temperatures, create the perfect conditions for moss to thrive. In conclusion, Iceland's lava fields offer a captivating glimpse into the power and beauty of nature, from their intricate creation process to the unique moss growth that adorns them. These landscapes are a testament to the incredible diversity and wonder of the earth. So, the next time you find yourself in Iceland, take a moment to truly appreciate these awe-inspiring phenomena.